we have a Russian Taz 35M target pistol. So it's a Russian single shot target pistol. This one's set up left-handed, I'm right-handed, but we'll make it work. You have this lever. This is a breech loading gun. So you drop the door, load your round in, close the door, you cock it right here, and then you have the lightest trigger pull you'll ever feel in your life. It is about 2 or 3 ounces. And then we pull this forward, drop the casing out, load another one in, close it, cock it, and then just look at how much pressure it takes to go off. It's just nothing. Very unique gun, cool to shoot. Second place. Joined the Turkish team. But yeah, just super cool. Very slow to go through ammo. We're shooting some match grade LE22 ammo. All right, last round. And that's it. So yeah, Russian Taz 35M target pistol.